Welcome to CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Primary Ayọ̀délé, wọ́n tún ti mú ìran tó lágbára wá fún Oriyomi Hamzat lórí governorship ambition tí wọ́n lé. Wọ́n ní serious one ní Oriyomi Hamzat o. Wọ́n ní wọ́n lè má ka ìbò wọn o. Ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ bí Nàìjíríà ṣe máa ṣe, wọ́n ní wọ́n lè má ka ìbò wọn. Then another serious warning for President Tinubu. Wọ́n ní Muslim ticket. One this time around it might not work. The last time it worked, and wanted to share another serious prophecy on Fulani terrorists about to attack Ogun State. Ogun State, there's a serious warning for Ogun State, and there's another serious warning for Sanwo Olu. He said, don't let them push you to offend Tinubu, that it be so bad for you. Please, prophecy Primary Ayọ̀délé, come for opinion in the comment.
Faintly the governor of Adamawa State, sincerely, you will lose when you don't have power in Adamawa again. Your presence will be fizzled out, and if care is not taken, you may lose that Senate. Your people are not happy with you at all. You are weak. They believe you are weak politically. Some of us will be insulted because of politics. Oba. And we only some palace in one. They may set some Oba's palace ablaze because of politics. If they are not careful. Like Lagos now, if APC did not cooperate with Igbo, they will lose. You think that Yoruba will give him victory in Yoruba in Lagos? Yeah? Some Yoruba people are even annoyed. They are not happy. They are not. That's the truth. It's a clear fact. The governor you present, very good. But what of the people that are going to vote for you? Guinea-Bissau president, junta. If you transform yourself democratic, people will go against you. They will not believe you. Guinea president, be careful of slow poison. Guinea president needs slow poison. Slow poison. And they want to take some certain steps that will be very ridiculous to your seat as a president. Oriyomi Hamzat, honestly, you should be a good candidate, good person. But the point is this: Masoni Yoruba, Igba, gbàdúrà kan máa fi gbàgbà ìgbà, ògo lọ́wọ́ ẹ láti di gómìnà. Wọ́n máa gbàgbà yẹn ní. Tó o bá rí ìgbà yẹn gbà, wàá waste owó ò sì ní wọlé. Oriyomi, Yorùbá ní ọ́, so mo ń bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá, èsì òyìnbó là ń sọ ẹ́. Oriyomi Hamzat, wọ́n máa fi ìgbà gba ìgbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ láti wọlé. Tó o bá rí ìgbà rà, ò ní wọlé. Á dẹ̀ affect ẹ gan-an. Dẹ́ni kejì, bèrè ṣé pé iṣẹ́ tó rírun ẹ láti ṣe gómìnà àbí láti ṣàánú fáwọn ènìyàn. Ìyàn tó dáa ní ẹ́. Bó ti yẹ pé nǹkan rédíò ẹ nígbà kan tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbà kí lẹ ti ń pè ọ̀rọ̀ Adélabú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ gba nídìí ẹ tì lẹ́yìn ẹ pariwo ẹ̀ dáadáa lórí rédíò yín láì béèrè lọ́wọ́ wa. Àti ẹ̀ nírò yẹn sí ẹ. Àníró torí pé àwọn à ń bínú. Gbogbo nǹkan ìgbà ní orí ìgbà wa sọ̀rọ̀ fún wa ń sìn. Oriyomi ìgbà máyẹ̀ kan fi ìgbà gba ìgbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Tó o bá dẹ̀ rí ìgbà yẹn rà padà wàá waste owó gómìnà o. O ti rí pé lówelówe là ń lu àgídìgbò. O ti yé ṣe èmi ò mọ̀jú náà nítorí pé àgídìgbò náà òun náà láti fi kòwé fún. So àgídìgbò tó ń lù wọ́n lè má rà lọ́wọ́ ẹ o. So wá ìgbàrà tó bá fẹ́ win, otherwise mo sì pariwo wọn ò ní kí ìbò ẹ kà torí pé àwọn tó ń ka ìbò wọn ò ní jẹ́ kó dé bẹ́ẹ̀. Sọ pé so ìbò sì. Disaster is coming to Japan. Serious one. Muslim ticket will not work. If Tinubu tries it, hey, He will lose not 100%, 1 million over 1 million. Muslim ticket will not work. Let them watch Ibukun Ifo against terrorists, kidnapper. Ilaru, yes, kidnappers, S-men. They are targeting Ogun State seriously. They should watch out. In Oyo State, if the APC, if they don't do all that's necessary, one Sheyi Makinde party can win. Sheyi Makinde's party can win if you re-strategize very well. Because all this APC strategy, they will do overconfidence will kill them. Overconfidence. No, I'm winning, I won't win. Well, they win, no. And if they will need shock on. Okay. Wo ni ADC wọ́n ti mú ènìyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n tí mi ń wò pé tí wọ́n mú Taofik lókè ó máa jẹ́ Taofik lórúkọ ẹ̀ yóò mọ̀ jẹ́ Taofik. Ìyẹn Taofik yẹn lè ṣe ó lè tiraka díẹ̀ kó make difference díẹ̀ àti threaten the two candidates of APM, that is Sheyi Makinde àti APC. APC ò tí in the ground lawyer state. Even without Adelabu wọn tí in the ground wọn tí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ó pọ̀. The election àdúrà táwọn agbára dání pé ká má rí violence kó má turn to violence, bloodshed, political assassination kó má ṣẹlẹ̀. But àwọn èèyàn lè má understand then. Wọ́n lè má understand. Sórí Ògùn, Ondo, Ọ̀ṣun, X-Men lè invade there. Wọ́n fẹ́ try Lagos State o ṣùgbọ́n kò ní work. Kò tí yẹ. Lagos State have a very good CP, very good man, very very hard working person. CP Lagos State. In Bayelsa, APC can lose, NDC can win. In Bayelsa. You see, PFN and CAN, there will be a useless society in Nigeria that they will not reckon with them. Yes, they will. When they talk, sit down. What are these people talking about? Tinubu should note this now. I have the list of 9 governors that will disappoint him. For God's sake, he said, don't reveal it. Not that I'm afraid of, but I listened to instruction. Don't reveal it to him. 9. And those people, they are close. Opus Odema will not be Senate president. Will not. Who will become the Senate president? Before that time, I will tell you. Nigeria needs air defenses system so that unexpected missiles will not pass through our airspace. Listen now. And there may be gunshot around Villa. Let them watch about this. Minister of Finance, Oloyede, you will do a lot of economic error. That seat is not for coffee. It's not a coffee seat. You will do mistakes. If you are not careful, you will not do better than the past finance minister. Sincerely, there will be conflict in our economy. Economic conflict. Economic conflict. And this will make Nigeria to run into more debts. In the next, we are in June now. June, by July, Tinubu will still request for another money. There is something bad about it. Let him continue to collect it now. It is time. That is his own time. There will be exam leakage in OAU, Uni Calabar, Unilag, exam leakages, University of Yola, exam leakages, Unicalaba, no, exam leakages. Mohammed Abdullah Abubakar, the APC gubernatorial aspirant. You will win, but you will not win again. If you don't do reconciliation, urgent reconciliation, you will not win, no. Because some people are not happy. They will go and join ADC against you. That's a warning. Strict warning. You will win. At this time, you will not win. Before the Senegalese president, before the election, I said it from beginning to the end. What will happen? When Macky Sall was their president, I said,